It is, Jesus, can't focus. It's 4:30 here. All right, we got the push mower. I've got a set of hand tools. Let's see if that will stay. I just put you guys down, but I want to show you here because this happened. So this is a Toro recycler. It's a 22. You can see there's a new wheel on top of the mower here. I use this on slopes, and you can see here. Here's a play of this. If you look, you can see how that's all. This is plastic with a metal sleeve in here, and you can see that's all messed up. This one's loose, but it just needs to be tightened. That looks good. This obviously does not. I've gone through a few of these wheels already, but I mean, it's one of those things. Oh, what did I do with what the hell? Oh, it's one of those things that it's just part of the, you kind of budget it. Jesus. Oh. Jeez. All right, hold on. All right, so you can see this wheel's garbage, but you could just, terrible. The bolt's fine. But as you kind of use these things on slopes, it puts a lot of stress on the wheels. And they're just not built for it, but it's okay. So all this stuff, this guy, and this thing's so greasy. There's a little washer. These are already built into the wheel. We should just go here. This is an Amazon knockoff, but we'll see if it's literally the same. So how bad could it be? These wheels from Toro, actually, I don't know what they are now, but they were expensive. Just trying to thread this thing through. Should be okay. And we'll feels like a very cheap wheel though. I don't know how long this thing's gonna hold up. I was looking, so through Toro, like Toro parts or whatever, each one of these replacement wheels is like 40 or 50 bucks. Okay. And I was able to get one for 20 on Amazon. So it's same size, same whatever. We're gonna tighten the other side. But you do notice, just trying to see how, you do notice a difference. Just compared to the one I just tossed. But whatever, it is what it is. Yeah, so this guy's super tight, and we already have all this play already. So I'm hoping to get through the season on this one. I might, you could see this one's been replaced. This has a barcode on it. But it's it's definitely loose there. We come to our other guy here, and you can see it's moving, but it's moving the whole mower. So this one's definitely on a lot better. But this, I don't know if you can't really tell with me banging it. This is just hard plastic, where this is actually a nice rubber wheel. So there's a difference there, but whatever. It is what it is. That guy's done. I'm ready for tomorrow. I'm gonna take the deer out and use that. We're gonna dig some ADS drainage. Not trenching it today, just there's some spots that need to be a little bit of digging that I'll end up doing now with this guy. And yeah, by a little weekend maintenance. It's 4th of July weekend. Happy 4th of July. 249. America beautiful right there. But other than that, we're gonna, machine's pretty full. The mower's pretty full is what I mean. I'm gonna top off the mix. This is not focusing. I'm gonna, it's hot out. I'm gonna top off the mix, the 50/50 in the in those machines, and we have a very rainy week ahead. So I keep saying tomorrow. It's not tomorrow. Today's Saturday. It feels like a Sunday because the 4th was on a Friday. Monday looks to be a busy day. Obviously I have my regular job, but Monday looks like there's going to be rain overnight, and then it looks, I don't think it's going to hold true, but it looks like it just rains for the rest of the week. So it looks like we're definitely going to have a rain out Tuesday. I'm hoping we get Wednesday in, because it looks like it rains Wednesday morning, then it kind of lets up the afternoon. I'm just looking at the hourly, but it's ways out. Thursday, I actually have an appointment, so if it rains, I don't care. It is what it is. And then Friday, same thing. It looks like it's going to rain Thursday into Friday, but might get Friday afternoon. So I don't know. We'll see what ends up happening. But at least we've got a brand new wheel here.